What you want to talk to me about? I'm watching it through my camera. I'm watching it through my camera. I can see up close. You what? You do what? My hand over the camera, I can't say sorry about that. People are seeing it from all over the world right now. So if people are seeing it from all over the world right now, they want to know what you want with me and why you're calling me over here.
So beautiful. I'm feeling well.
You're not feeling well?
I need a girl woman like you. I like your eyebrows. I like the shade that you chose on your face. It looks real nice. Maybe you're an entertainer or something. Maybe I can't speak to you right now.
Huh?
Are you an entertainer or something?
I look like an entertainer. Watch me for the body today. I look like an entertainer to you?
I don't know. You look something special.
I look kind of special, babe.
I've never seen nothing like this before.
Like what, babe?
I don't know.
Talk up loud.
You just look exotic.
People want to hear you, you know.
This woman right here that I'm talking about, she looks very exotic and very special. I was driving, but I couldn't stop her to say hello. I've never seen, I'm a little starstruck and a little speechless because I've never seen a woman like this. I'm a little intimidated, but still in all, it's something I must say to her.
I love this guy. Don't you think it's cute, y'all?
And I can't speak.
But you know, I usually don't go to people when they call me and even laugh, but he put a smile on my face. Because he's a handsome guy too. I'm not looking for anybody, but oh my God, he found his world. He's so decent, right? So nice. Yeah, hi. You have beautiful eyes.
Thank you, man.
You actually have beautiful eyes. Girls, say nice looking. I guess I wonder if Amari boyfriend is.
Oh, you're married?
You know a girl named Amari? No, I know your boyfriend, I know your girlfriend, right?
No.
Because you have pretty eyes, they kind of look like the boy I should have talked to, they're like a 21-year-old. Your eyes them pretty look like, I know him. Alright. Watch your back for me, baby. You hear? Watch your back for me. Yes.
I'm sorry if I bothered you, Miss.
You're not bothering me, I like to talk, I like to meet people. You know, I can't see how I look, I wish I could.
You know how you look. You know how you look. You got dressed this morning.
Huh?
You got dressed this morning.
You said I got dressed this morning, but I still don't know how I look in this. A lot of people are like, I like it. I like how you look, but I can't see how I look.
I like this. I've always liked the woman that know how to do her eyebrows.
But you know, I don't know how to do my eyebrow that good. Because those are my natural eyebrow. I just like do like some put a pencil in it. It's that thick and natural. I don't want to mess it up anymore.
I like it.
But your eyebrow is nice too.
I like it.
Yeah, so God bless you. It's nice meeting you. And what your name is?
Damel.
Damel?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, Damel. God bless you. It's nice to meet you. And God is good. And you don't have a girlfriend yet?
No, ma'am.
And why? Daniel, why? You seem like a nice guy. Why? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Don't lie to me.
Because I'm always on the run. I'm always on the run.
But you cannot even run enough. Somebody that be on the run that understand that you're a hustler. You have to make money and you're about going to get what you want out of life. So I mean, if a person can understand that and they have a problem with you, then I can understand why you're single. But you're a good-looking guy.
Once in a lifetime, huh?
Huh?
Once in a lifetime.
Come out the car. Come out the car.
You want to see how tall I am?
Come out the car. Yes, I want to see how tall you are. You're not bad. You look good. You look able. You look able. You look nice.
Yeah, look nice.
I mean, you look good. I mean, let me go back. You look good, you know. You're not overweight. You're a nice looking, decent guy. Nice guy. You're a nice guy. I can see you have class, you know, the way you put your hand in your chest and rub your belly. That means you're a lover. But let me see myself. Let me see what all is, so I can see what you're talking about. Because I can't see what you like. What you say you like.
I like
Look in there and show me.
well, the sun is on you.
All right, come over here.
This magnifies you who you are.
Can you see me now?
Yes. This magnifies
Let the people see what you're talking about.
It magnifies you. Your smile and your colorful demeanor.
You like all of this beautiful.
And you're all right. And you're still in shape. Oh my God, you're still in shape. Still
Well,
in
you
shape.
know, I'm 42, but age is just a number.
All right.
And I think age is just a number. And once you have God in your heart and you're a loving person, you're a kind person, God makes you look younger.
Yeah.
Because your heart is clean, it makes you look younger actually.
Oh.
Yes, Darnell, look at the camera. People all over the world pick up for themselves. And I'm meeting you, Darnell. And he's just kicking it with me right now. Look at my smile on the side.
Yeah.
I'm just a chill right now.
Where you from? Trinidad?
So God is good.
Where you from? Trinidad?
Not from Jamaica.
Oh, wow.
I'm from Jamaica, yes. I'm from Portland, Jamaica.
Oh, you're not with your boyfriend?
My boyfriend is home. It's just 2 blocks now. I'm coming from work making some delivery. I still gotta eat to make money to eat, you know. I don't walk around asking guys some money. I don't look for date. I don't cheat. I don't sell my body. So I went to make my dinner for my business, like jewelry, skin cream, product, and stuff like that. So that's where I'm coming back from now. God bless you, my love. Nice to meet you. Let me give you my